Thank you, Scott. So thank you, Scott, and thank you to all of our panelists. I am so humbled, but I'm incredibly privileged to hold this position because so many of you in this room I know, and I've had the privilege to work with so many here. You make this work. There are days where I don't really love this job. I love this job tonight because it reminds me of the impact personal relationship makes and the fact that an entire team at Keene State, there may have been an idea, there were colleagues who asked us to think about working differently, but it was the response of Jim Crayley and Kirsty Sandy and Karen Jennings and Sarah McGregor and Lisa Hicks and so many others to actually reconceptualize what we could do. What I would offer to all of you, and I will hope you will share with others across the state, the university system stands ready. Help us know what you need. We are not going to be successful if we lean back and we don't lean in with you to say, how can we help you recruit, equip, and retain the talent for the future? So I'm going to offer a few statistics to close the panel, and then I'm going to ask our students to close the program tonight, our student leaders. The university system of New Hampshire brings into this state 13,000 learners, 13,000 talent bundles to prepare. We work with partners. We need more internships. We need more clinical placement opportunities because we need those learners who come from all over New England, all over the world to study in New Hampshire to know what it would feel like to stay here. We graduate 2,000 every year and they stay here. 2,000 of those students who graduate stay in this state to feed this economy. We need that number to grow and we need your help to do that. Keene State College stands ready. We've talked very specifically about our work in this specific industry because it's such a strategic partnership for our community, but there are so many others. And the mayor and I talk about this, the city council, all of our business leaders help us help you because Keene State has to do our service work. Enter to learn, go forth to serve, build the economy, grow the community. We know that's our purpose. So thank you for the work you've done to make this an easier lift and for helping me remember why I love the work that I do and all of my colleagues I get to do it with. So thank you all.